And this for all those cats that I was ballin' with. Saying rap ain't finna get my ass a scholarship. And how come every teacher's motto is music ain't gon' do for you what college did for me. That's the problem there, see baby, I ain't you on me. Tonight I'm gonna party with the people that believe.
Brantley tried to go up the middle and he got clocked by Gallimore. Gallimore, 310 pounds coming your way.
They call him the Canadian Bulldozer.
Really big plays, especially Crawford.
There they go. There's a nice play. There's Neville Gallimore. It's the guy that Mike Stoops, a freshman, said that he is coming on, and he has a chance to really be a superstar up at the top.
30, empty backfield for Ellinger. Sam under pressure. Ellinger sack. All right, how about this Alex Grinch defense? Neville Gallimore getting to the quarterback. Texas 3-0. Duffy reverses. And Duffy running. Lost it. Here's a forced fumble. That's what they've been working on at Oklahoma under Alex Grinch. Punched that ball loose. First turnover of the game for the Red Raiders. And Neville Gallimore got it.
He's being rewarded with an appearance in the championship game. Bohan in trouble. Sacked and the ball comes popping out. I believe Mike DeFee's blowing the play dead, and he is.
Ruling on the field was that the runner was down by contact. Down by contact. Second down.
Pretty soon. And nowhere to go for Williams. Ran into his own guy. And they're going to give him forward progress to the 2. But Kansas will take its final timeout. And the Jayhawks will have to punt from the very back of their end zone.
Man who wears his sunglasses at night. Here's Cornelius. Not that time. Neville Gallimore drops him. The junior from St. Catherine's. Second sack of the game for Oklahoma. The second half, and it might just be something as simple as that. As Duffy is swung around and dropped to the turf by Neville Gallimore, the junior from St. Catherine's, Ontario.
6% of his passes as a high school senior, but he started this opportunity in his college career by throwing it away. And this time he is sacked and he lost the ball. OU recovers at the 20-yard line. Neville Gallimore, another big play as he knocked it free.
Carter met by Gallimore.
Now the Oklahoma defense trying to rise up.
Option play. Duggan into the arms of Neville Gallimore. He lost a yard. Play fake. Ellinger and nothing. Great job this time by the Oklahoma front line. Neville Gallimore, 133 yards and a receiving touchdown. Now Robinson, and this defense has been all over the place. Neville Gallimore with the sack.